the playground!
So it's about southeast of the state. We're about an hour and 15 minutes from Raleigh. We distance about an hour from Florence, close to 2 hours to Wilmington, and also we can get to Myrtle Beach pretty fast.
Piedmont has serviced in Fayetteville since 2001. I became the general manager here in July of 2001, and that's when Piedmont took over from US Airways.
So pretty much Piedmont covered it all when it comes to duties, from ramp to ticket counter to gate to baggage. We pretty much do it all.
The only routes we run out here right now is just here to Charlotte, roughly 7 flights a day. The military drives the market here.
This is a smaller station, so we have smaller aircrafts as well. And with military traveling in and out, sometimes that could be a little difficult.
We do a lot of military baggage here in a lot of groups. There times we'll have over 100 bags per flight for the military in and out. The baggage just really sets us apart.
So a lot of our flights end up to be sometimes oversold or weight restricted, because a lot of the bags that our soldiers check are overweight.
And going on a 145, you can only have a certain amount of bags that can fit on there. So with the big, heavy bags, it gives us a challenge on how many bags we can fit onto the flight.
I like that it's a military town because I originally came here. I got stationed here in the military, and I ended up staying here.
A lot of leisure is affiliated to the military, so a lot of family members that come and visit. We do have a couple of museums. They're pretty interesting and they're located downtown. One is the JFK Airborne Operation Museum, which is the most famous one. We also have a children's museum downtown.
We do have a minor league baseball team here. It's called Fayetteville Woodpeckers. There's a stadium right downtown.
We do have the Cape Fear River Trail, so if you like nature, that will be a good spot also to go.
The second biggest employer here, besides the military, is Cape Fear Valley Hospital. So we see a lot of nurses, registered nurses come in and out at Cape Fear Valley.
And if you have a child that is going to go to a university, there's a couple that you can visit.
We have a what's called Methodist College, and they do bring a lot of foreign exchange students here. So we saw a lot of foreign exchange come in from all over the world to go to college here.
I think that Fayetteville has a great location. You're so close to travel everywhere.
We have a great group of people. It's a smaller station, so you're not typically dealing with some of the things that larger stations are dealing with.
My team is amazing. I know a lot of captains, when we're pushing back, they always say they love our station because how quick we turn our flights. We usually give in about 25 minutes, but we've been doing about 20 minutes on our turns.
What makes Piedmont special here is because we're a family. The agents work hard here. It's a fun place to work.